Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Oh my god, I almost forgot how to do the intro. Pardon me. Okay, let's just not go there. I have had a very rough day. Okay, I have a very rough day. So yeah, I did this look today, and if anybody wants to know how I did this, I will link everything in the description box. I think probably it will be up on my Instagram. If it is on the YouTube as well, I will put it in the description box to check that out if you want to check it out. Right, so let's get into the main point of this video. So today I have for you, if you remember, I did the series of hair care under 500, skincare under 500, and yes, this is the third part of it, makeup under 500. Everybody loves a good affordable makeup, and guess what, I have for you some really good things. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Let's go, baby. First things first, let's start with an eyeliner, and I have for you this Insight Liner Express eyeliner. I have like a very in-depth review for this particular eyeliner. If you want to check it out, I will link that video, because that video has like about 10 different eyeliners of different categories, different price ranges, so you can check for yourself. So definitely this is one of my favorite eyeliners. I absolutely love this. It is jet black, right? And yeah, this is how it is. Ooh, it is juicy, it is jet black. You can draw thin lines, you can draw thick lines, you can do whatever you want to do. So yeah, this is, I think, for about under 250 rupees. I'm very sure it is under 250 rupees, so it's literally half of 500. So definitely try this one out. Second up, let's talk about an eyeshadow palette, and I have for you this Mocha Mix palette from Nika K. Not just this Mocha Mix palette, actually I just mean these, out of these, all these 9 shadow palettes, 9 pan palettes, there are a lot of color range, color schemes, and you can literally try any one of them. It has purple one, colorful ones, whatever you want to go for. These are very similar to Huda Beauty Obsessions palette, so you can find a good dupe for that as well. And I think these cost for like 499 rupees, but if you buy them in a pack, I don't know, you can actually find them for about 300 rupees as well. So this is pretty cheap, very light on the pocket, and this is actually a good palette. Again, if you want an in-depth review for this, I have like a separate video. I will put it in the description box. You can check that out. I have like one full video which has every Nika K eyeshadow palette, 9 pan palettes. So yeah, I'll put that as well if you want to search for a particular palette. Yeah, that is that. Third thing, let's talk about some highlighters, shall we? We have this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder. One is in the Blossom Glow and one is in the Precious Petals. I have separate review for both of these as well, and to say the least, I am wearing Blossom Glow today, and this is how it looks. It has given me a good Blossom Glow, so you definitely can check these out. These are good, right? It has intense pigmentation. Let me just show you Precious Petals, because I am already wearing Blossom Glow. So this is Precious Petals. Whoa, this is how it is, and let's do it over here. Is it visible? Sorry, it's not visible from this angle. I'll just do it over here. Yeah, you can see a very light glow right now. This is the first swatch, and when you build it up, yeah, it just builds up. So these are good highlighters. If you want, you can try. Okay, I just like a good glow, and I think these are like pretty affordable palettes. Definitely I'll put the in-depth review. Whoa, this is literally turning into me plugging all my previous videos, but yeah, what can I say, I have a lot of stuff for you already. Second last is this, again Wet n Wild. This is a Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in Caramel Toffee. Now this is both bronzer slash contour with a setting powder slash compact. This is a very good color for under eyes, like highlighting that stuff, and you know that giving it a very, I even did this with this color. I'm not getting words to speak, so just understand what I'm talking about. I sort of baked with this color, and this is like one of my ride or dies. I absolutely love this palette. Now this is not actually under 500, this is for 600 rupees, but the reason why I included it in this video is because you can actually find it under 500. It can actually go up to like 400 something, on sales, right? Wet n Wild is on sale a lot, so you can definitely find this on a good price. So yeah, check that out. Last up, let's have a lipstick. Okay, so it is not technically a lipstick, it's a lip liner. It's the Wet n Wild liner in Chestnut. Oh my god, this is literally third in a row for Wet n Wild, and this is the lip liner I'm wearing right now. It is in a very brown color. See, this is the brown color, and it is a very pretty color. It will suit all the Indian skin tones. For obviously for the fairer ones, it's going to be a little darker. For the darker skin tones, it's going to be their perfect nude. It is like a must-have lip liner in your collection, and if you're searching for a good lip liner, I would say go for this one, because this is the bomb. Okay, just go for this one. So yeah, this was my 5 makeup products under 500, which I absolutely love, and I'm very sure if you guys are going to try this, you are going to love them as well. So yeah, hit the like button if you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you in this video, guys. Bye bye.